Hi everyone, and welcome to my tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to write and optimize your articles for SEO. So in this tutorial, I will show you how I use ChatGPT for my blog articles, and as an example, I will be using my own blog website. My website is called Art is in You, and it's built on WordPress. It's a fairly new website, and all the content here is generated by ChatGPT. The idea here is to drive traffic from my Facebook page, which has a large audience. So, to prove to you guys that GPT can actually optimize your articles, here's an example. If we go to this article and get the link, and if we go on Google Search Console and inspect the link, we will see that this article is actually indexed. I used ChatGPT completely to write this article, and the article got indexed. So this is a good indication that ChatGPT works. So let's begin. I'm using ChatGPT 4, and I think it's better than ChatGPT 3 because ChatGPT 3 tends to be too repetitive. There are actually two ways that you can use ChatGPT to write or optimize your articles. I'll show you both. So to begin with, I created a list of all my articles that I have on my website. You can see it has the title and the category only. That's all you need. If we go back to ChatGPT, and here's the prompt. So the prompt is fairly simple. I want you to act as a content writer and as a SEO specialist and help me write articles about my website. I already have content in my website, and I'll give you a list of the content, and based on that you will suggest me some ideas. So as we can see, ChatGPT already started suggesting me ideas based on the categories that I have on my website. So now there are two ways you can go about it. Either you ask GPT straight to write, for example, the first article, whatever article you write that it suggested, or you can ask it for this article to suggest you some keywords. Now, you can use different tools for keyword research. I personally use SEMrush. You can use Href or whatever tool that you prefer. For example, you can search all these and find the best keyword that you think that you can actually rank. So I already did this pre-research, and I have a list of keywords that I found on SEMrush. So for this tutorial, I will be using the first one. So now the prompt to write the article will be something like this. As you can see, the prompt is quite simple, and we will wait for the output for the article. Okay, so we have the article. We can go ahead and copy. I will create a new post. Okay, I need to fix these into H2. These can stay as they are. These can be H3. So right away we see readability is good. So that's a good start. We need to put the title, the featured image. I already generated the featured image with Midjourney. So in my next tutorial, I will dive into Midjourney and how you can create images for your blog or your social media. So stay tuned for the next tutorial. We need to have the alt text here. So in the title, I have the site title. I don't want that because it's too long. So this is a keyword. We put the keyword here. Okay, this started to get better. We need the meta description. The reason that I'm asking it shouldn't be that long is because on Google, if it's too long, it will show like a dot dot dot. We can see that it's already too long, but that's okay. So you see, we already got green, green. Some other things that we can actually do to further optimize it is to add some inbound and outbound links. So I already have a smoothie article, so I will use this and the link. Some outbound links. I could put my social media, for example. Get the links. I want them to open a new tab so I don't take people from my website. There you have it. So in less than 10 minutes, we wrote and optimized an article for SEO. So that's pretty good. You can write a lot of articles in one day and they could be optimized and ranked in Google. The next step is when I publish this article, I will get the link. For example, the link should be shorter. I would put this on the link because it's the keyword. And then what I would do is publish the article, get this link, and ask Google Search Console to index it. And in a couple of days or a week, depending on your website domain authority, it will get ranked. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And if you have any questions, you can always leave them on the comments below. Also stay tuned for the second tutorial about Midjourney and how to generate images for your blog. Until next time, see you then. Bye.